Depositing into Spiff is simple, fast, and secure when done the right way. The best method is using a direct bank transfer through the wallet section of the Spiff platform. This option gives full control, clear records, and instant confirmation when funds arrive. Start by logging into your Spiff account and navigating to the deposit or wallet section. Select bank transfer as the funding method. Spiff provides a dedicated account number generated specifically for your account. This account is unique and linked directly to your wallet, so any money sent reflects automatically without manual approval. Open your banking app or visit your bank branch and initiate a transfer to the provided account details. Always double-check the account name and number before sending. Deposits as low as $10 usually process instantly, while higher amounts like $500 or $1,000 may take a few minutes depending on the bank. Once sent, refresh your Spiff wallet and the balance updates automatically. This method is the best because it avoids third-party delays, hidden charges, and failed transactions. Card deposits may sometimes decline, and peer transfers carry higher risk. Bank transfer remains stable, traceable, and accepted at all times. For users funding larger amounts such as $2,000 or $5,000, bank transfer ensures compliance and smooth processing. Always deposit from a bank account that matches your registered name on Spiff to avoid restrictions. Keep transaction receipts until the funds reflect fully. Avoid sending money through unverified agents or external links, as Spiff does not require intermediaries. Using bank transfer protects your funds, speeds up access, and allows you to start using your balance immediately for transactions, payments, or withdrawals. This method remains the most reliable and professional way to fund your Spiff account without stress or delays.